In this 12-month sequence, snow cover comes and goes. Tropical areas green up, then turn brown as precipitation changes with the seasons.
See that?
And water is on the move in the area. Even deep beneath Earth's surface, water is on the move. There may be many times as much water locked up in the minerals that make up Earth's mantle.
It's on the ground in here. Harriet, are you a butterfly?
No.
Because you just flapped my wings.
Can I tell you something? One time in school, there was this boy in the fruit behind you. There was one on your head.
Look at his tongue. He's like a little bit of
Where?
This is the last section of the Detroit Zoo, the Butterfly Garden. The monarch butterflies, beautiful butterflies.
I didn't see any monarchs.
Yeah, there's no monarchs. Really? I saw a monarch.
There, isn't that a monarch?
No, that's not a monarch.
Now we are in the bird sanctuary.
Try to get them.
Harriet,
We're in the bird
Dad,
sanctuary. One.
Louise.
Dad, try to get these
I can still see butterflies. Oh no, I see birds.
These are one of the very. Those are cute pink birds.
Yeah.